everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm here with another easy crochet stitch tutorial. Today's tutorial will cover the small mesh stitch. It is an awesome stitch for summer garments as well as market bags. It's super simple and easy to get a hang of. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into this tutorial. We are going to start with a slip knot. And then we are going to chain in an odd increment, and then you're going to add an additional 3 chains for the foundation. So I do believe for my swatch I did something like 15, and then I added 3 for a total of 18 chains. So I'm going to do that again. Alright, so now what we want to do is we are going to double crochet into the 6th chain from our hook. So not this one that's on the crochet hook. Let's do a little bit more. Not the one that's on our crochet hook. So we're going to count this first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. And number 6 is right here. We're just going to work a regular crochet into that 6th chain. My yarn plies a little bit. Alright. Alright, and now we are going to chain 1. We are going to skip a chain. And we are going to double crochet into the next chain. Alright, and we're going to do that again. Chain 1, skip a chain, and double crochet into the chain after that. And we're going to do that all the way across our row until we reach the end. Alright, and now we are at our last 2 chains of the row. So after you chain your 1, you're going to double crochet into that very last chain of this row. And this is what row 1 looks like. Alright, now for row 2, and this is a 1 row repeat, so after this row you would just repeat row 2 over and over until you reach your desired length. We are going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, turn our work. We're not going to be double crocheting into this double crochet where our chain is coming from. We're going to skip that, we're going to skip this chain space, and we are going to double crochet on top of the double crochet. Alright, then you're going to chain 1. And you are going to skip the chain space and double crochet on top of the next double crochet. And we're going to do this all the way across until we get to that last double crochet. Alright, and now double crocheting into that last double crochet. And now what we're going to do here is we are going to chain our 1, and we are going to count up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains from that first row, and we are going to yarn over and double crochet into that 4th chain. Like so. Okay, and this is what 2 rows of this stitch pattern looks like. Alright, and so if you continue to work the pattern, you will end up with something that looks a lot like this swatch here. This stitch pattern has a wide application of uses. I've used it in several of my own patterns where I've either offset the stitches, or I've used it kind of like this, or put some additional chains in there. It's very versatile, and you can let your imagination run wild with it. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content like this. You can also check me out over on Instagram, where I constantly post about my whips and pattern releases. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, head over there and check me out. The link to that is in my description box below. And until next time, guys, happy making.